Goggles down, thumbs up.
So I don't know what you're running, but I've been running cheap Eachine VTXs on my quad for one reason. They're cheap. Another good reason is I can swap these out by swapping a plug, so I can run 600 or 200 by swapping it out real simple. However, now I got the Turbowing VTX, which is capable of running 25, 200, and 600 milliwatts. The best part is it has smart audio. So now I can change my channel and my power all from my Tyrannus. So let's wire this bad boy up and see how easy it is. So this guy is my flagship frame, made by a friend of mine, just gonna send it. Really good pilot, great guy, and good designer of frames. So I'm gonna swap out my old Eachine VTX on this guy, which I was running 200 milliwatts, for the new Turbowing. And the best part is, I should be able to stack this on top of my other flight controller. So I'm running a Betaflight F3 flight controller. My VTX is coming in over here. I'm running power from underneath and getting the proper amount of voltage. My camera is coming in right next to it. I'm going to pull these off, rewire my new Turbowing VTX, try and mount it right on top of this other guy, and then hook up the smart audio to another UART port. So I have my Turbowing VTX hooked up. I have the white wire, which is the smart audio, going to my UART 3 port. This is a Betaflight F3 controller, so that port is already designated for the smart audio. Now all we have to do is get into Betaflight and turn it on. Next, what we want to do, connect our quad to Betaflight. Go over to Ports tab, and I have mine connected to the UART 3. So we're going to go over here to Peripherals and turn on the TBS Smart Audio port. Save that, and that's all there is to it. Now let's jump into our quad and see if we can change the channel using our Tyrannus. Alright, we have our VTX hooked up, wired in, powered up. We've gone into Betaflight and we've turned on the smart audio port. Now let's get into the settings and change the channel. So we'll go to the features and then the VTX SA. Let's just change it one channel. We'll go channel 2. And here you can also change the power, 25. Notice as I change it, it gets a little more patchy. There's 200, and it's a lot more solid. So power change is instantaneous, whereas the channel change, you'll actually have to set it and confirm yes. Now it changed the channel. And there we go. Cyclops VTX from Turbowing with smart audio. Check them out. Great setup.